Hey, if you have that problem that your voice typing is not working on the Samsung A27 5G, then I'm gonna show you a few methods how you can fix this. The first one, start by opening the settings, and if you have the problem that, for example, you cannot find this microphone icon here or here, then to fix this, you have to go for the general management, open keyboard, and click to show input method button on the navigation bar. When you turn it on, you can find it and you can now use it. But what if it is not working for some other reasons? So open the Samsung keyboard settings. Now you will have to navigate for the voice input and make sure that you are gonna switch for a Samsung voice input instead of the Google one. Let's keep trying with the Samsung. Now, what is very important that you can use this only if you are connected to the internet. So if you are offline, it will be not possible to use it. It will be just not working. So this is one of the reasons why can it not work, but you can fix this if you are online and you are gonna download the offline language pack. You have to go here. Once you are online, tap on the language that you are gonna use when offline. Now you will be in the in the Galaxy Store from a Samsung. You have to download it, wait until it will be downloaded, and when it will be downloaded, you can just keep using this offline. So another thing, now as you can see, when you go here, we have to open the keyboard and now just click on this icon and start talking. When activated, you should find this small dot, the green dot. I'm gonna show you in the notes because there's not enough characters in the search bar. We can only input 100. Okay, never mind. I cannot find it, so I'm gonna input notes. Let's go for this one, for example, and now we are showing the keyboard. And yeah, when activated, you can see this green icon, the small green icon in the right upper corner. It means that your keyboard got permission for microphone. If for some reason it's not working, this icon is not showing, what you have to also do, you have to just open settings, go for applications. Now just wait for a loading screen. It takes so much time, and we have to click for this icon and we have to select all of them, even system applications. Click OK, and now click here and input keyboard phrase. You have to open a Samsung keyboard, go for permissions and make sure that you are gonna allow permission for a microphone. Now, if still not working, you will have to restart your smartphone. Sometimes when you try to use it, it's just not working, but after a simple restart, it just starts working. And let's say it's still not working. What you can do, just simply switch to the Google voice typing. So open settings, open general management, go for the keyboard, and you have to just simply go for a Google voice typing that is here. Make sure that it is turned on when you click here. This is the same rule like with a Samsung one. If you want to use it offline, download language pack. If you are using offensive words, you will have to turn off this filter. And after that, what you have to do, just go back for a Samsung keyboard settings, scroll all the way down for the voice input, switch for the Google one. Now open the keyboard, and as you can see right now, when we are here, we can just click here and simply start talking. But as you can see, for me, the Google voice typing is not working for some reason. So what I have to do, all of those previous steps, or I can simply restart my phone.